Alright, so we did this a while back. I told the guy that this is may leak, is what he told me. Of course, I did this a couple of years ago. When he brought this in, his was actually busted. I could see all the gears just hanging out. We had to buy a new one of these. So I guess when I put it all in, maybe that bottom seal wasn't all the way done, and he didn't want to buy a kit. But he said he wants it fixed now, so we're gonna tear it apart. All right, so I see some fluid on this thing, so that's... Whoa, slow down, Andretti. Temperature's starting to drop out here. All right, we'll start getting this carburetor loose. Loosen up this boot. Note to self, relocate that clamp. Remember I was telling you about that? It just fell apart, literally. Look at that. Water. Not good. That's why it doesn't run very well. That's pretty nasty. Alright, let's get the carb off. Is the dance over? What are you doing?
We're going to get dressed for the dance.
Oh, okay. We're gonna have a party tonight. Kids are going to a dance.
I hear you.
What are you up to?
Just taking those kids up to school.
Are you going dancing?
I'm not going dancing.
Huh?
I'm not going dancing.
Why not?
I don't dance.
Well, that's not what they call what I do either, but...
Yeah, but you got 2 legs.
Huh?
I got 3/4 of a body that'll move. And
You
one
got
part...
2 legs, you just don't have 2 feet.
Well, there you go.
2 knees either.
Yeah.
Do what?
Wait, no. You have 2 knees.
Hey, at least when you dance and you look about like I do, you got an excuse. Here, and I could see the gears hanging out the side of the motor. That's, well, there's your problem, dude. But I guess his nephews or somebody tore it up.
You need to spend about $4.
Alright, I'm gonna pull these back plastics off. We're having some discrepancies on me getting that piece out. This may get tricky. I don't want to get my wrench stuck. There's a ratchet. Pull the rear shock off to get enough room. I don't know if y'all can see, but that back shaft, I think that's the case. So my bolt may hit there before it comes loose out of here. Of course, this may slide loose. We'll see what happens. It's obviously... Okay, I'm starting to come to the realization that I'm probably just gonna have to take off literally the back swing arm I think I can just unbolt it here and pull that whole thing back. I'll have to jack up the quad and pull this all out. I mean, I just think that's the only way to actually get it and do it right. To be able to get these, I gotta have these bolts all the way out, and this got to be mounted good. Jigger off, and I got me an equalizer with 1 1/16. It's got a retainer nut on it, and then there's a Allen screw thingamajigger that holds the shaft in. Guess we probably could undo the shock too, may help, but imagine this is really just dropping down. Hey, what's up, man? Give me back my tools. And there she comes. Saturday, bud.
Thursday?
Saturday.
Which Saturday?
That's today.
That's today?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's Thursday today?
Saturday.
Saturday today?
Saturday. Yep.
Okay. We gotta get it fixed today.
What do you mean, wait? You got your hands in your pocket.
We're talking about the Carter to get some tire.
Oh.
To get a 6-pack of beer.
6-pack of beer?
Yeah, for tomorrow.
For who?
For me.
What about me?
You can have one. I'll give you one. But that's, I can do one for you, but I don't know about the rest of it.
For what?
Maybe if you're nice and everything comes all right, it might be 2 of them, but that's it. No more than 2, I guarantee you. I'll tell you that right now.
There's a white truck.
Hey, I think I'm going to get me something to drink. Would you like something to drink?
Yeah, grab me a Coke.
You want a regular Coke?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to get me a Paintwood, I think. I'll be back.
Yeah. There's a little just pouring out of there. All right. So this should just come on out, right? Get it off that shaft there. Okay, come out this way with it. Or maybe we gotta drop it out the bottom. Bearing. Well, Guess a good thing we taking this apart, because he's got a U-joint that's out too. This thing is toast. This piece is actually moving all the way in and out. So we'll pop that little retainer clip off there once I get to it and put one of those in too. But this has got to be the seal that's leaking. Number one, you can tell because it's so clean. Everything else been oiled up so much, it caught the grease. It was slinging it all the way around everything. So we'll get that hooked up, put whatever seals in there. If the other one's stuck, we can pop it off like that.
I should get a mail.
Alright, let's see how bad this goes. What do you want to tell me, Stephen?
Well, I was going to go to use the coast on the set and come back and try.
Came off like butter. That's nice.
So
So that seal is inside that
drink
case.
this.
We're gonna have to split the case. I guess I can take that joint off and then I'll pop that off. We're gonna have to get a new one of these anyway. So let's see. There's one. Still use them if we wanted to. This thing apart and put new seals in it. Oops. Take this nut off. And that comes out. Threads all the way down. They're all about ½ inch out. That one's out a little further. So, take these out. And yep. Alright. Probably go this way. Alright, let's see if these old batteries do the trick. That'll do it. So we'll get that seal out of there now and get a new one in there. Bearing don't feel bad. And I'm gonna take it to the shop. She's out. Probably got a number on there. Let's see. Get her matched up. Be really nice if she did.